The world of custom car building with the debut of Infected the 1970 Cuda by Ringbrothers at the 2024 SEMA Show. The 1970 Plymouth Cuda is a legend in the muscle car world, renowned for its aggressive styling and powerful performance. Ringbrothers have taken this iconic vehicle and transformed it into a modern masterpiece. Engine and performance at the heart of Infected is an 807 horsepower Hellcrate Redye V8 engine, delivering a monstrous 717 lb-ft of torque. This beast of an engine is paired with a Bowler Tremec TR 6066 speed manual transaxle, providing a thrilling and engaging driving experience. The engine bay is meticulously detailed, showcasing the high level of craftsmanship that Ringbrothers are famous for. The rear tires are a beefy 335/30R21 Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, while the front uses wheels with 285/30R20 tires. One of the most striking features of Infected is its custom paint job. The car is painted in a custom shade called Pink Eye, developed in collaboration with BASF. This vibrant color pays homage to Mopar's high-impact colors of the 1970s, while adding a modern twist. The paint is meticulously applied, resulting in a flawless finish that highlights the car's aggressive lines and curves. The wheelbase has been extended by moving the front wheels forward by 1.5 inches, giving the car a more aggressive stance and improved handling. The front fenders have been shortened, and the rear quarters have been stretched for a sleek and balanced look. Custom touches include milled billet aluminum grille surrounds and bumper guards, adding to the vehicle's unique appearance. The interior receives much the same custom treatment as the exterior, with modern comforts and conveniences throughout. The white leather interior was tailored by Upholstery Unlimited and is appointed with a Gentex GNTXR rearview mirror, custom instrumentation and gauges by Dakota Digital, vintage Air Gen IV climate control, and a fully bespoke sound system with Apple CarPlay. Lastly, and in true Mopar fashion, a custom carbon fiber pistol grip shifter and a Ringbrothers Murph steering wheel with a 3K carbon hoop add the finishing touches.